Across the world, mobility is evolving, powered by real-time communication between vehicles, infrastructure, and autonomous systems. At the core is Unex's plug-and-play V2X module, a mini PCIe SOM with an embedded V2X cast stack enabling reliable connectivity across vehicles, infrastructure, autonomous devices, and smart city services. When seconds matter, this continuous connection prioritizes emergency vehicles. Actively clearing intersections for first responders. Actively protects vulnerable road users by dynamically adapting intersection timing to keep every road user safe. Driving this powerful hardware is our proprietary software solution, V2X Cast. V2X Cast natively supports global standards, ensuring immediate compliance across different regions. These standards are built into the V2X Cast SDK, designed for rapid and seamless integration directly into your own API. Unex, synchronizing the autonomous edge.